Hey Austin, I have an art friend I want to show you, and I want to show to our other art friends. His name's Hiram, and I ran into his parents at IKEA when I was shopping. And his parents said that he loves drawing with us. And what did he draw a picture of?
Coco.
Yeah, Coco. This is Miguel from Coco, right? Mm-hmm. Yes. Do you think he did a good job?
Yeah.
He did an awesome job. And his parents showed me a lot of his art, and he's a really good artist. Hiram's parents asked us if we could draw another Pokemon for him. Which one?
Poliwag.
Poliwag. Yeah. We hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker?
Yay.
Yeah. And some? Paper. We hope Hiram's going to draw along with us too, right?
Yay.
And maybe even his parents and his little brother.
Yeah.
Okay, first step, we're going to start by drawing Poliwag's body, and it's an egg shape. We're going to draw, if you want to keep it a little easier, you could just draw a circle. But look at this egg shape. It's kind of got a point up at the top, but you can leave that off if you want. So we're going to draw a big circle about this big. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Next, we're going to draw his eyes, and we're going to draw ovals for his eyes too. We're going to draw one oval over here, and we're going to draw one oval on the other side. Yes. Good job. And another one on the other side. You're awesome. How old are you?
6.
6. You're doing a great job. And that's okay that our drawings look different, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yes, to have fun and to practice. Now, inside of our ovals, we're going to draw more ovals. We're going to draw them towards the middle, though, because Poliwag looks like he's cross-eyed. We're going to draw 2 ovals in the middle, so they're pointing towards the middle. We're going to draw one over here and one over here. Yes. One on the other side. Okay, now we're going to draw even smaller circles inside, and we're going to make these look cross-eyed too. And this is for the light reflecting in Poliwag's eyes to make them look shiny. Yeah, and then one more. Now, we're going to color in the middle circle, but leave everything else white. What should we draw next?
His mouth.
His mouth. We're going to draw another oval right in between his eyes. Kind of looks like he has big lips.
Yeah.
And then inside we could draw a little frowny face. Or you can draw a happy face if you want. You're going to draw, so-so face. Just like that. Next, we're going to draw his belly. And it's a circle, but it's also overlapping behind his mouth. So we're going to start on the left side of his mouth. And we're going to draw a circle that comes around like this. Comes close to the bottom. Back around to the right side of his mouth. Can you do that? Start here, draw a big circle, and come back around to the other side. Yeah, keep going. Oh, you did it perfect. Now, inside of his belly, he's got a spiral, a really cool spiral. And we're going to start here, and we're going to spiral around. So we're going to spiral under his mouth, come around, and we're going to go in further. Just keep going around. This is a really fun line to draw. And we're going to come around and then stop. So start right here, go under his mouth, and spiral into the center. It's kind of tricky, and if you need to, you can pause the video to take time to finish the step. Keep going. Yes. Dude, give me 5. You did awesome on your spiral. Now, we're going to make this spiral a little thicker by tracing around it again. So watch this. I'm going to trace around right next to it. And this is to make this spiral a lot thicker than the first time we went around. See how it's getting wider? Go all the way around and just trace it one more time. And I have a couple little gaps. And you can go in and just fill it in with your marker. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Now what should we draw?
His feet.
His feet. We're going to draw U shapes that are bent. So we're going to draw one that bends down like this and then comes back up. See how it's curving? It almost looks like a jelly bean.
Yeah.
Half of a jelly bean. Then we're going to draw another one over here bending the same direction, a U shape. Right. That's because he's swimming. Or it looks like he's swimming. Good. Now, what's the only thing we're missing on Poliwag?
His tail.
His tail. We're going to draw a line that comes out and it's going to curve like this. Yeah. And then we're going to draw another curve. We're going to start here at the point and we're going to curve back into his body. And look, I'm getting further away. See how it's getting wider towards his body? Yeah. Now we're going to draw the outside of his tail and it looks like a raindrop. We're going to start here. We're going to come around, curve back around to the top, and then end in the same spot. Does that look like Poliwag's tail?
Yeah.
Curve around. Yeah, keep going. Oh, he's going to have a big tail.
Yeah.
He's going to be able to swim really fast. We did it awesome. We finished Poliwag, except we need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yes, we need to color him. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. All right, we did it. We finished coloring Poliwag and he turned out awesome. I hope our art friends are going to color in their drawings too. What was your favorite part?
The spiral.
The spiral on his belly. I think that's my favorite part too. He looks really cool.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your Poliwag.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we hope Hiram and his family had fun too.
Yeah.
We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.